Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 benefits of incorporating Angelite, the stone of awareness, into your daily life. For those who have watched my videos before, welcome back. I really appreciate your curiosity and your support week after week. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And today we're going to be exploring the gemstone Angelite. It is a gorgeous sky blue stone. And it doesn't take a high shine, so it even looks just soft and soothing and gentle. And if after you watch this video, you find that Angelite is a stone that you would like to work with more, then I do have Reiki tumbled Angelite gemstones, bracelet and gemstone sets, and Angelite pendants available in my online crystal healing store, and the link to that will be in the description below. So Angelite, this is the stone of awareness, and it is an incredibly supportive stone. And the first benefit of Angelite is that it helps connect you with your spirit guides. And this could be guides in any sense: your guardian angels, your spirit guides, your animal spirits, your higher self, the universe, any external source that you seek guidance and wisdom from. Angelite strengthens that connection. So if you're interested in connecting with your guardian angels, if you've thought about it before but never really felt a sense that they were there, then Angelite helps let you recognize the messages and the energies of your spirit guides. It helps you see the messages around you and sense their presence, because Angelite, it really helps us become more sensitive to the spirit world, and specifically to those that support us through this life experience. So it's really useful if you're trying to strengthen that connection, you're trying to get wisdom. Angelite helps you send out messages to your guides and receive information back. But in conjunction with using Angelite, it's really good to journal and to be aware of the potential signs and messages around you, because you may feel those messages internally as an inner knowing, but they may be sent to you in symbols and in numbers that you see in your daily life. So the second benefit of Angelite is that it helps connect you with your own inner divinity. And what does this mean? This means that it helps you see and recognize the best parts of yourself and to acknowledge them and own them, because we are very judgmental of ourselves and there's a lot of self-criticism, and Angelite helps you recognize those really positive aspects of yourself and to own them. It also helps us see our greatest potential, and it helps us believe in our greatest potential, our highest good, and it helps clear the path so that we can start to manifest that highest potential. The third benefit of Angelite is that it helps reduce fears. This is a very supportive stone, and it connects you to those sources around you that will support you and protect you. And holding Angelite reminds you of your connection with your spirit support system. So it helps reduce fears, stress, anxieties, worries. If you start to feel a fear, you're going to face a fear, then holding Angelite will help calm you, soothe you, lower that blood pressure, and remind you that you are supported and protected by a higher source, that you're not alone. And the fourth benefit of Angelite is that it helps you speak your truth. All blue stones help us tap into our own inner wisdom and truth, and Angelite is no exception. It helps you access that inner wisdom to know and acknowledge what you feel as true and have the strength and courage to be your authentic self. Angelite is a stone that wants to support you as you live authentically as your true self. It helps you express your own opinions and express your true self to others, especially if you're hesitant about sharing something about yourself with others. Angelite supports you as you open up and share that with the world. It wants you to live your highest, greatest, most authentic self. Angelite is just a wonderfully supporting and soothing stone. And I know that's been my word of the video, support. And it could be the stone of support, but it is awareness, because it wants you to know yourself and to know the wisdom from outside, from your guides, and from inside. So this is a stone that I highly recommend for everyone, because if you're feeling alone, if you're feeling like you need additional comfort and that you want to own your own truth, then Angelite is a wonderful stone to have with you. Thank you so much for joining me today as we talk about the wonderful benefits of Angelite, the stone of awareness. And if you find that this video makes you curious about Angelite, that you might want to work with it some more, then in 2 days on Saturday, I'll be posting a guided meditation specifically for Angelite. And you don't need a piece of Angelite to benefit from the meditation. Sit through the meditation, picture the stone in your mind, and if any of the scenarios really speak to you or raise red flags, then those are both signs that Angelite is a gemstone that you should probably obtain and work with some more so that it can help support you in your daily life. So if you're new to the channel, I talk about a different gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these informational videos about the supportive benefits of the gemstone, and on Saturdays, I post the guided meditation. Every single week, a new gemstone. So if you're really interested in finding out which gemstones can support you most in your everyday life situations, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so that you can see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.